Craftaholics, welcome back to my studio, and if this is your first time here, it's a pleasure to meet you. My name is Peggy, and welcome to my studio. Now, I'm a little bit late with this. I got this just a couple of days ago, but Spellbinders has come up with a new value club kit, and it is the Deluxe Caboodle, and I believe it's the only value kit that there is now. Otherwise, everything is available on individual subscription, and this is all of the monthly subscription kits. They got rid of the card kit, which to me not a big deal because I really didn't use it that much. But they have added everything else in, and I will link this and all the other kits below. They are available. You can subscribe through December 27th to still receive them for this month. Okay. Let's go over what's in there. Now, some of the things I don't have the machines for yet, but they are on my wish list. But it's okay. All right. First thing we have is, it's one of the newer clubs, which is the Wax Seal of the Month. It's probably the only one I'm going to actually open because I want to show it to you. And all of this is for Valentine's Day. Sorry about the crinkle noise. Okay. This is Love You to the Moon and Back. And it comes with these wax beads, this gorgeous coral color. And if you've never seen a wax seal stamp before, this is what they look like. It comes with the handle, and they are interchangeable. You can take the handles off for storage or to change and put a different stamp on it. So that is one of the clubs. Put that over there, move that out of the way. Then there is the Glimmer of the Month Club, which I do not have the glimmer machine yet. But I figure I'm going to have it at some point, hopefully early in the year. So why not start to accumulate the plates? But this is, let's see if I can get it in the picture good. There you go. That is what the kit can make for this month. And it is called My Heart Smiles. I'm going to move them over here as I'm showing you. Then there's the Better Press plates and dies. You get the plates, and then you have dies that cut out the words. And this is another one. It is on my wish list. But this is Sun and the Moon. And it has like, you are my moon, my sun, and my stars. Love you to the moon and back. Your friendship lights up my heart and shine like the universe is yours. Hopefully soon we'll be able to use these plates. And then a new club is the Stencil of the Month Club. And it's My Love Grows, and there are 4 stencils, and this is the design that it creates. I'm excited to try that. And I'm new to stenciling, but I really like it. It's fun, and you can get really beautiful results. Oh, this also goes with the glimmer. Sorry, this goes with the glimmer. This is Glimmer Aluminum is the color. It's kind of like almost like a holographic gold looking color. It's really, really pretty. Okay, then we have the Stamp and Die of the Month. And if you order these, you can order just the Stamp of the Month, I believe, or the Stamp and the Die. I'm not sure if they used to be separate. I'm not sure if they still are, but I will, like I said, I will link below whatever is available. But this is the stamp set. And it's the big love for a beautiful, beautiful card front. It also says, be my Valentine. Sweetheart, always, my heart is yours. Happy Valentine's Day, and you. And then you have a little bit of greenery in the hearts. And then you have all of the dies to cut them out. And the reason that there is only one die for the sentiments, it's made for the largest sentiment. But then if you die cut the other ones, you can just snip them down to size. Instead of doing a whole bunch of them, they just do one. They did that last month too, I believe. So there is that. Can't wait to play with that. Then we have the Small Die of the Month, which is Sneaking a Kiss. And this is what the suggestion is. Isn't that adorable? I like that. And I think we're going to get a lot of use out of these lines with the hearts. I like it a lot. So there's that one. Then we have the Stitching Die of the Month, which they always look really confusing when you look at them this way, but you can tell that's the word love. And this is the suggested card from there. Really pretty. And I really like doing the stitch cards. I didn't think I would, but it's so much fun. And just takes a little bit of embroidery floss and a needle. No big deal. But we'll be definitely playing with that. Then this, as you can tell, is going to be for a 5x7. It is Cheers to Us. And again, this is the card that they had made with the bottle, the wine or champagne bottle, and the glasses. So that's going to be a lot of fun. Even have the little sparkles that are, I don't know if you noticed that in the picture, little sparkles that are coming out of the bubbles, out of the glasses. This one's going to be fun. It's going to be interesting to see what else we can do with that bottle. And the only other two things in the box, well, not really, but club things, are this is the embossing folder of the month. And this is the pattern that it makes. Isn't that pretty? I love this. And this is great for, besides Valentine's Day, for like weddings. You can really use it. Anniversary cards. There's a lot of uses for this. So that is beautiful. And then there is the 3D embossing folder of the month, which is a little bit thicker. And it actually makes two different card fronts. So I don't know if you can see it. Let me take this one out. Sorry about the crinkles. Sorry. Now I'm just going to rip it. There we go. It's two different card fronts. So once you put the paper in, you run it through your die cutting machine. Then you just cut it in half and trim it down. And, oh, I guess it goes this way because there's a heart. Sorry. But you have the two different cards. And I think that's pretty freaking awesome, actually. I'm going to see if maybe we can make one card out of it. Use like one is the back and one is the front. That would be interesting. That would be the front. That would be the back. Pretty cool. So that is the club, the different clubs. But they have some bonuses. Now, let me reach behind and get them. If you order in December, you also receive an apron in this really pretty teal color. And it's just a crafting apron. I don't think there's a picture of it, but it does say Spellbinders paper arts on it. And that comes, like I said, if you order the Deluxe Caboodle in December, you get the apron. And then every month there's a freebie, and this month it is a set of blending brushes. And these are to go with, because of the stencils. So that'll be fun to use. And then there was another freebie. I think this is just like a Christmas one, but I'm not quite sure. But a set of their gems. And I know they put that big sticker right over the middle of it. But they're neat looking because some of them are so tiny. Hold on, let me get them out. My fingers. My hands have been shaking a lot lately, so I'm having a hard time with things like this. Let's see if I can pull those out. Come on. There we go. But some of them are like opal at the top, and then the bottom have like the Aurora Borealis kind of look. But look how tiny some of those are. That is so cool, isn't it? So that was another one of the freebies. So if you are like me and you're trying to build up your library of crafty goodies, I highly recommend subscribing. Now, I know it's not the cheapest thing in the world. It's actually not that bad. Now, like I said, these are free gifts, but this monthly club is $120, and I know it sounds like a lot, but it is worth $315 altogether. So it really is a good deal. Before they had this one, the other value, the big value club, it was $100, and it didn't have the wax seal of the month, and it didn't have the stencil of the month, and it didn't have the better press of the month, but it did have the card kit. So not bad. It's only $20 more, and you get 3 more kits added in, so not a bad deal. But like I said, I will link this below, and I will link all the other kits. I don't know the individual prices of them, but you can see that on the website, but I will link it all below. And It will be an affiliate link. So I will make a small amount of money if you click and purchase through my link. But it also does help me buy things like this that I can share with you and create with you on camera. So that's all I've got. It is Thursday. So Christmas is Monday. So Merry Christmas. Happy Hanukkah. I don't know when Hanukkah began. And I will see all of you in the next one. Bye, guys. Have a good day.